The moment you see it slicing through traffic, you realize this isn't the Sentra you grew up with. The 2026 model arrives with a sharper attitude, leaner lines, a wider stance, and a front fascia that looks like it's permanently locked onto the horizon. It feels like Nissan took the familiar compact sedan formula and injected a dose of cinematic tension, the kind that makes you lean a little closer to the screen because you know something interesting is about to happen. Slide inside and the cabin immediately feels more grown-up than its segment usually dares to be. Soft-touch surfaces wrap around the driver, the center stack angles just enough to feel intentional, and the seats strike that sweet balance between comfort and support. Nissan's interior design philosophy is still all about simplicity, but here it feels more refined, clean lines, intuitive controls, and a layout that puts everything exactly where your hands expect it. The available larger infotainment screen blends into the dash with that almost premium vibe, and the updated digital cluster adds a crisp, modern layer to the experience without drowning you in pointless animations. But the real story begins the moment you hit the road. The 2026 Sentra's powertrain doesn't try to be something it's not. It's realistic, efficient, and tuned to deliver exactly what most drivers need: smooth acceleration, predictable torque, and just enough punch to make merging feel effortless rather than stressful. The throttle response is more confident, giving the car a livelier personality, and the revised CVT, long a talking point for Sentra fans, now feels more natural, keeping revs steady and transitions clean. Fuel efficiency stays one of the car's strongest plays, making it ideal for commuters who want to stretch a tank without sacrificing day-to-day ease. Handling is where the Sentra quietly surprises you. The suspension tuning walks the line between comfort and control, absorbing rough surfaces without feeling floaty. Steering is light but precise, giving you a sense of connection without demanding constant correction. Around corners, the car feels planted for a compact sedan, confident enough to encourage a little enthusiasm when the road opens up. Technology rounds out the experience with upgraded safety features, improved driver assist functions, and smarter connectivity. Everything feels considered rather than crammed in, useful tech that enhances, not distracts. Pricing for the 2026 Sentra continues to sit comfortably in the accessible zone, offering solid value with standout efficiency, a refined interior, and a driving experience that feels more mature than expected. And as the road stretches out and the taillights fade, this year's Sentra leaves a clear message: evolution doesn't always shout, sometimes it just moves with purpose. If this is the energy Nissan is bringing into the next generation, then the upcoming lineup is about to get very interesting. Stay ready, there's more coming and it's going to be worth the wait.